CLAT 2027 notification is out. The paper is on December 6, 2026, and there is no change in the pattern and syllabus. But the most important thing that everybody is concerned is your logical reasoning part. And don't worry, guys, I have got you a 4-month strategy on your logical reasoning, which will cover both your critical reasoning part and your analytical reasoning part. Because though we got a notification, there is no change in the pattern or syllabus. Though our syllabus never mentions analytical part as our subject, but still, if we have to see the previous year question papers, and in previous year question papers we are seeing our analytical reasoning part. Now in this 5 to 6 minutes of video, I will be very short and I will keep it straightforward. Next 120 days, if I talk about the 4 months roadmap, see, your critical reasoning part has been seen 70 and 80% some in some paper, and your analytical part 20 to 30%, and this goes vice versa. Sometimes your analytical reasoning part is high, sometimes your critical reasoning part is high. That's why to change these metrics, I would like you to tell that take them as 50% thing. 450 words maximum passage you will see, and in your critical reasoning part it will start from identification of your arguments, your premises, assumption, conclusion. Then you have strengthening and weakening, you have course of action, you have cause and effect, you have inference, you have logical flaws, you have paradox situation, you will see parallel reasoning as well. In your analytical reasoning part, let me discuss this in very detailed way. See, you have to do sitting arrangement. This sitting arrangement can be a circular sitting arrangement, your liner sitting arrangement. In circular also you will see inside, outside, and a mixed question. In liner you will see facing north, facing south, and double row question. Then we come to puzzles part, where you will see floor based puzzle, where you will see month based puzzle, where you will see age based puzzles also. You will also see the boxes somewhere. All these include in your puzzles part. You might be seeing your circular sitting arrangement with your blood relation topic as well. In your puzzles question, you might be seeing two topics submerged with each other. With your sitting arrangement, your puzzles, then comes blood relation, then come direction tense. Clock and calendar will also be a good topic. Your coding and decoding, your alphabets, your series and analogies, classification, odd one out, all these things are equally important. With your data sufficiency, your order and ranking, and you might also be seeing each and everything in more. You will see analytical part more than that of your critical reasoning part. Is that what I think for your CLAT 2027 paper, which is going to held on 6th of December this year. And if I move, see your fundamentals of your critical reasoning, your fundamentals of your analytical reasoning. Until and unless you don't know critical reasoning from argument identification, you can never move downstairs. Either it is your premises, conclusion, assumption, inference drawing, parallel reasoning, paradox, until and unless your core foundation is not ready. Analytical reasoning part, you need to know all the rules and regulation, all the formulas, your left and right rules, your movement rules, your ups and downs rule, your family tree, your direction senses. All these things, all the foundations of all these things are required, and you have to be very ready with this. Plus, analytical part is your process. Analytical comes with practice. All the other law entrance students, they develop this practice, and if you are a CLAT student sitting for this paper, you have to solve at least 3 critical reasoning passages. You have to solve at least 2 plus questions each and every day for your puzzles pass. Build your consistency, solve 3 critical reasoning passages plus 2 analytical reasoning puzzle set every day to maintain a detailed error log from day 1. And if I talk about your mastering your critical reasoning part, so you will see that yes, the pinpoint of the main point of the conclusion, your assumption, strengthening, weakening, and other things, your distractors, all these things, extreme words, opposite argument, out of the box thing, your assumption, whether it is your, if you see it in the author's way, you have to find all these things, identify all these things, because assumption is not given in your passage. When it comes to mastering your analytical puzzles, see recent CLAT trends we have seen that analytical part comes more, so you have to go through with your puzzle section, sitting arrangement section, clock and calendar, data sufficiency, you need to go with mathematical operation, you need to go with each and everything, plus you need to practice all these things regularly. That's why your time sectional test 25 minutes time, you have to take 20 to 26 question, target 1 minute per CR question. Your option elimination, you see the extreme words, you see an out of context things, and then comes your accuracy, which will develop over the period of time. Your speed and accuracy drills should be in your month too, because in first month you take all the necessary topics, you develop the foundation of that topic, you deep dive into that topic to from your foundation to each and everything that is required, and then you come to your speed and accuracy in your month third. If we move to your month 3 and month 4, see, month 3 and month 4 are most important. You should go with your mock test. Until and unless your mock tests are not being done by you, you are not analyzing your mistake, this CLAT 2027 paper, you will not be able to clear this particular paper. For first 15 days, take 2 full mock tests per week, build the strength, the stamina, the sectional accuracy. Then in 16th October to November 10th, increase this mocks. Also remember, if you are doing your 2 full mock tests, don't forget to also do your sectional mock tests, because these sectional mock tests are equally important. From November 11 to 30, stimulate exam condition 2 to 4 p.m. that make your mentality that strong. From 2 to 4, you are so concentrated toward that particular time period, because you have to sit from 2 to 4 on 6th of December. Make it a habit that during this particular time you have to sit. See, this helps, because if you are sitting for a mock test from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., your anxiety, your pressure, you will see that when you will regularly do that, and at the time of that particular exam, that and the anxiety and pressure will become a habit, and on the day that matters the most, you will see that you are comfortable during that particular time, because it has been an habit. And lastly, for last 5 days, the mistakes that you are coming up regularly, the silly mistakes, the major mistakes that you think has been happening over these last 4 months, in these 5 days you focus on that particular part, either it is logical reasoning or any other part you are going through. These 5 days are not for your marks, these 5 days are for you to analyze you that you have already analyzed yourself, and you can do this particular thing. And there are some things that you are facing difficulty, and these five days you have to clear that difficulty. And also in these 5 days, you know each and everything, but keep on revising things, read things. Reading is very important in last 5 days, either it is logical part, critical reasoning part, English, legal, quants part. You have to read formulas in quants, you have to read formulas in analytical reasoning, passages, inference, assumption, what are the difference between these, your paradox situation, all these things in these 5 days. Plus these October and November bracket, do as many mocks as you can, because these mocks are very important. And I have made a daily, weekly study routine for you guys. So morning, give 45 minutes to your critical reasoning passages, in afternoon give 30 minutes to your analytical reasoning, evening give it to the Hindu. Start seeing the passage. I'm already doing a series of 500 MCQs where I'm bringing the Hindu question, because it is important. And lastly, on weekends, give a full mock test, analyze these mock tests, look for your errors, and this will help you achieve your particular goal, that is your dream NLU, and in the month of August 10 to 12 marks, month of September 14 to 16, October it will increase to 17 and 19, and till you reach November you will see that your mock scores are 20 to 23, because it will help you develop that habit, and you will now be very fluent in you have the accuracy and all the strategical part of your analytical and critical reasoning part, and you will score these 24 marks. And on the exam day, see, if I tell you this, these 24 marks will get you the best national law university you have been dreaming of. Also, I request my students to do the analytical reasoning part at the last of your exam. Start doing things that you already know, that will not waste your time. Your GK, your general knowledge section, and your English section, legal section. Then comes your logical and analytical and your cons, because you might be able to solve critical reasoning, but analytical and cons will take time. So in last 2 days, and start reading your passages, start seeing assumptions in each and everything, try to see what the author really want to tell in everything, and you will develop this particular habit, and CLAT 2026 will be cracked by you on this December 6th, and we can make this journey very easy for you, because at Adda 247 we have announced new batches which are specifically designed as per the course, and as per the needs of this particular paper. So when you go in all courses, UG PG entrance, you see law entrance 5 years and 3-year LLB. In this you will see CLAD, and in CLAD you will have your Achievers Pro and Achievers badge. When you will click on this Achievers badge, you can use my code HARSH for maximum discount, and you will get my one-on-one mentorship also. When you will click on this buy now, you can enter HARSH in the coupon code, and it will give you the maximum discount of 40% discount in my name. You can buy this batch and you can start your preparation today. Thank you so much, guys. This is me, Advocate Harsh Chotrani, your logical reasoning mentor and alumni to Gujarat National Law University. And if you need anything else, let me know.